How to redeem Sephora promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Sephora promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Sephora. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 50% offer, $100 offer, promo codes, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. After you get the code, you can click on Shop Now. Once you get the code, you will land to the official website of Sephora. Now you have to log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to the checkout page. While at the checkout page, you will find the section of Add Promo or Reward Code. You have to click on that option, then type in your code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem Sephora promo code. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.